Sup, players?
Shit, and let's see if he does buy her shit. Order this shit.
I'm waiting for it to drop. My God. We're here with the two schmucks. Martin's about to get down on this.
I think the tape's open on the bottom.
About to get down on this motorcycle stuff. He's about to do some magic. Leave it wet. Are you gonna finish it today? Is it gonna be done today with paint?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to.
This is Martin's this is Martin's secret to getting work done. Too much noise right now, so I'll keep you guys updated on what's going down.
Black cherry. How the fuck? Like black.
I know he doesn't have to mix it. This could be satisfying, but you're ruining it.
No, wait till I do the other lines.
This is the face of instant regret right now. What did you do?
Let me put that voice. How fucked up is fucked up? That's fucked up.
I'm doing 3 shades.
He's doing his... No, you know what I'm gonna put? All the numbers when the guys from Hangover is thinking in the casino. All the numbers going... This is the face of instant regret right now. This was a mastermind though, I'm not gonna lie. Once it's done, no more roasting Hatim. My nemesis finally arrived.
What are you guys doing?
Just some hood rat shit. So I play. Oh fuck!
What'd you fuck up?
I skipped this one. I was supposed to remove this one. So now I removed every other wrong one.
Were you crunk at the time or what?
Fool, I haven't even. That was my first beer. Well, I didn't invite you. We didn't invite you over here to
Criticize.
Yeah, shoes on today.
True.
It's cold,
Yeah,
bro.
gangsters.
Yeah, you got the chocolate. I'm telling you. I'm converting everybody.
That's what I've been.
Croc gang.
We've been about chocolate.
Don't talk about Croc gang, fool. Things gonna get excited.
Dean and Beto are. I never even see you wearing Crocs.
Oh, bro, no way.
Imagine this.
They don't make Crocs size 14, bro.
Yes, they do. Beto got him, fool.
Yeah.
Lucky bastard, you go shopping at Ross.
shit, and let's see if he does buy her shit.
Hey, but who been rolling without a hood first? The Beto or fucking Todd?
I don't know that shit. I started, bro. I started trends.
He crashed first.
Remember? Hey, so how bad is it?
What?
I haven't seen it.
The hood's trash.
Yeah.
The top? Fixable.
Yeah, you need a hug, bro? I know that shit hurt.
It's not that. Oh, Greasy thought he's gonna squirt right now.
Oh yeah.
Damn, dude. Is this the same one you did that red thing to?
Yeah, that was just a sample.
This is a mastermind behind all the fresh paint jobs going around, or paint rebirths. And there's a meme lord over there making memes, probably. Damn bum.
Why fucking message? Hey, was that you or your chick? No, it's me. I gotta show myself love, right? I said, yeah, I'm not gonna hate on that. Hey.
So he's using the same color paint, but every time he takes off a layer of paint, a layer of tape, the other colors get more red. So like, one spot gets darker, and then it gets darker when he takes off another one, and then another one. That way he's using the same color, it's just layered. And that's why it looks darker on some spots.
More coats than the other.
Yeah, it gets more coats. So you can see right here, it's like really light, and then it gets a little darker.
Hey, don't give away the secret, fool.
Ooh, we already know his secret is the fucking beard. He looks like Mr. Shmee right now with that beanie.
Well, now when I go from first to second, it loses traction.
Oh.
So ever since I put those turbo headers on, bro, it's game over for you, Fred.
No.
Huh?
It's game over.
There's gonna be a little puddle of transmission fluid on the driveway.
Yeah, fuck it, get in the roller. I mean, I just want her to be ready for Vegas, but.
Alright guys, so he just finished up. I think he's done with the top part at least on all this. On the sides right here where you can see all the silver and stuff, he's gonna throw this lace on it. It's like roses and stuff. He's gonna lay it over and spray over this so the pattern goes onto the these are like fenders and this is a gas tank. I don't know what this is right here, but
It's the instrument panel, dude.
oh yeah, the gauges go like right here, I think, right?
Mom,
So-
bike light.
I don't know about bikes like these fools over here. Anyways, he's gonna throw it on the side, probably right here. I don't know what he's gonna do right there, but anyways, this is how it's coming out. It looks really good.
Yeah.
He still has to clear it, so once he does a clear on it, there's not too much sun right now, but if you throw these things under the sun, you'll see all the flake just shining everywhere. So I'll wait till he's finished with everything so you guys can see the finished product.
You gonna do like a matching helmet too or no?
But everything's gonna look good. What are your thoughts?
What are your greaser
thoughts? Tits. Grease your tits. Dance, Junior.
I don't even know what's coming for you. After that,
What's coming?
Fred's car got
What's coming out?
I don't even know what's freaking happening either.
It hurts about the hood.
What's coming out? Your truck.
No, I'm working on all our cars.
Hey,
I'm not
No,
doing.
I understand that.
I
You're
just
saying it's not coming outside in black.
anymore, so no, it's not coming out solid sand black like it was.
Why not?
Oh!
Changing it. It's
Secrets coming out.
still gonna be
I'm
blue sand black.
lost. I'm lost.
I'm confusing a little bit.
Tell the people.
No. Hey, Red's just be like,
I know. You're just gonna see his mouth like.
So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna. Oh, okay.
Oh! I know he's gonna be like, I'm gonna beep, and then beep, beep, beep.
I'm gonna do the bed.
inside the bed.
The inside of the bed. The
But
color
are you
of the
gonna the
interior.
same color right now, or are you gonna?
Yeah, that dark
Red,
red.
big dog. Red.
Burgundy.
Everybody has red. Fool, I wanna do it.
Burgundy, burgundy.
Lambo red, big dog.
Nobody got Lambo pink. Lambo pink.
Shit.
Yeah, first those were
I put a TV, 1, 2, 3 TVs in it.
You're like a Honda guy. Huh?
Hey,
PlayStation.
hey, hey, tell them the Honda that you had before. Hatchback Civic.
I did have a SI
SI?
Civic.
Hey, then I had to drive home because he didn't know how to drive stick.
Oh. And why did you got a T56 over there if you can't drive stick? Oh.
He learned on
I started
Honda.
clubbing. I started partying.
There you go.
Turn it up.
Oh no, I sold the Camaro to Jose first.
Yeah. You did all the body work.
I sold it, he did all the body work, and I bought it back.
Yeah.
But he
The
gave
magic
me,
man over here,
like,
still doing work.
The fuck this shit. So I bought it back. I sold the wheels on it, and it was up on block. But this little asshole and that little asshole were running around in the driveway in fucking diapers.
When we're like, what? How old were we?
My dad told me, he goes,
Probably
I was probably like one or two.
your brother is gonna follow your brother, or we get rid of it. And I was partying, so I was like, fuck it,
Will,
I'll get rid of it.
I had a 67 Chevelle. I told him, I'm gonna sell the Chevelle. No matter what I get for it, I'm gonna give it to you for the Camaro. Hey,
I need money, bro.
I sold that shit on a Sunday and he was out partying. I get home from work on Monday. Hey, Will, I get home on Monday. The car's gone. Hey, where's the fucking Camaro? Junior sold it. How much? $3 grand. You know how much I hey, all that work he did, $3 grand, right?
Damn, you must have really like fucking partying,
Hey,
bro.
I got 5 G's. Yeah, fucking 18 years ago for a rusted out ass 67 Chevelle.
Then what, you bought the truck?
I was supposed to get his fucking.
I know, but after you got
I
it.
didn't get the truck for
we got off
years.
the map for a long time.
Until the legends came up into the scene.
The Camaro, the bird came out, and then I got the truck. And
How long is this shit?
And then the cool fools came out with the Nova and the Camaro, huh? These amateurs.
the crew.
This is 657.
Where's the Camaro picture at? Show the people what they want. This was this was a Camaro that he owned before the Firebird. Back in the 1950s, he had this old ass fool.
Quick commercial for our sponsors.
When your dad tells you to hold the flashlight. Your hand was gonna fall off?
How many fucking Mexicans did it take to take this shit off?
Are you recording this shit?
Oh, I'm waiting for it to drop. My God, what kind of pliers are those?
There you go, good ones. There goes one more.
Oh wow, metal shoes on the fucking.
Wow. The step. Oh my God, fool.
said we don't need this kind of. What is? How does he? He said something too.
He's gonna touch your fool. Come on, dude.
Oh my god. Hopefully my garage don't fall.
The ceiling's gonna come down.